Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Vero Smarty. I am Verma, and today in this video I am going to do something new. So if you are an old viewer of mine, you might know that I am a science lover. In a nutshell, I can tell you my story that my most of the day is spent in learning new things about science, exploring new things, doing some experiments and all and all and all. But what I have been even more keener these days is writing a journal. Writing a journal is really great experience for me, but I didn't want to invest my money in a habit that I'm certain that I'll continue in future. So I found a middle path. I'll not buy a journal, but I'll do journaling. And the solution came to make a journal at home. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you that how I made a new journal at home and how can you do the same. So watch the video till end and I hope you'll enjoy the video. all that process, my new journal is ready. I have covered it using cloth, and you can do the same. Otherwise, you can cover it with some kind of paper, decorative things, and all and all and all. And you can just give it a title like journal. I'm not doing all that today because I have a test tomorrow. I have to study for that. So, hope you liked the video. Just subscribe the channel. Leave a comment that how can I make my journaling even more interesting and less time consuming, because I'm a busy kind of person, you know. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Come back on the next video and subscribe the channel if you are also a science lover. Bye.